In other news, the flood situation in Kelantan has affected small businesses, leaving many traders and small and medium enterprise operators in Tumpat increasingly worried as they remain unable to earn a daily income after nearly a week at the temporary evacuation centre. Single mother Nurizan Jusuf from Kampung Periuk, who has run a food shop for 3 years, said this year's floods were far worse than last year's.
Nurizan, who was evacuated to a relief centre, said she has been unable to trade at all as floodwaters rose to knee level, completely submerging her shop, which remains closed due to blocked drainage.
Tahun ni. Jadi tahun-tahun lepas tu alhamdulillah saya boleh berniaga walaupun air tu di patah. Bobo ada sebelah tu dalam kiri sebelah lagi toho. Jadi boleh berniaga tapi bila tahun ni mungkinlah perparitan tu tersombak ke apa hak kita gadis diri tu akibat daripada kambuh ke apa jadi punca pendapatan kita tak nak niaga.
Another trader, Fadli Yatif from Kampung Talak, suffered estimated business losses of 2,000 ringgit after sudden flooding entered his glass and aluminium shop up to ankle level.
Belakang ini, kedai saya dinaiki air secara mendadak. Jadi kerugian saya dianggarkan dalam 2,000 lah sekali semusim untuk banjir.
Fadli added that his home was also hit with water rising nearly to thigh level, damaging raw materials including plywood and aluminium used for cabinet production.